Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to send push notifications to your customers. Push notifications usually appear on the smartphone at the top of the screen as a notification box, similar to the notification when you have received a new WhatsApp message. If the user clicks on this notification, your app will open immediately. You can use push notifications for a variety of use cases. For example, you can inform your users about new functions of your app. It would also be interesting to inform your customers about current offers or specials in this way. Have your business hours changed? No problem, use push notifications. To send a notification, go to the Notifications tab in the App Designer. At a glance, you can see all of your messages that have already been sent. In addition to the dispatch date, you can also see the status of individual messages here. You can also see how many customers have received your notifications. Now click on Create Notification to write a new message. Now enter a title in the message text. Click on Send Notification, and confirm this by clicking again. As you can see, your notification will be processed and a few seconds later the message will reach your customers' smartphones. That's it. Have fun and see you next time.